Welcome to the ReCYCLIST Bicycle Shop. We take care of all your bicycle needs at the best value possible. We offer new bikes, pre-owned bikes, bike services and repair, bike and e-bike assembly. Our service center specializes in tune-ups, flat repair, brake service, chain replacement, spoke replacement. We also specialize in electric bike conversion, e-bike assembly, e-bike tune-up, e-bike chain replacement, e-bike brake service, e-bike alignment, and all sorts of e-bike repair. We are open 7 days a week, located in West Los Angeles, near Culver City, Marina del Rey, and Venice Beach, only 1 block away from Rainbow Acres Market. Proudly serving bike enthusiasts throughout the West Side. Visit us at our showroom and bicycle service center for your bicycle and e-bike tune-ups, brake service, alignment, spoke replacement, flat tire repair or replacement, bicycle and e-bike assembly needs. We look forward to serving you. See you here!